everyone, my name is Andrea. I'm the kennel manager here at SoMi Pet Resort, and today we're just going to be giving you a quick breakdown of what our cleaning procedures are like in the facility. We fully rinse our buildings every morning to ensure all of our guests are in a clean and comfortable environment. The first step for cleaning is to make sure we're maintaining the backyards. So our cleaning starts as early as 8 in the morning. After our first round of private play sessions, we start prepping the buildings. We use the hose to make sure we're rinsing anything that was left behind out and make sure our turf is doing its job and going through the filtration system. Once the patios are nice and clean, we briefly put all of our guests on their outsides and make sure they get their daily dose of vitamin D while we're working on the inside of the building. Once inside, we start picking up everyone's belongings and making sure that the beds and cots are put up before we start rinsing. This is to ensure that their things aren't getting wet while they're here. While cleaning, we make sure to take any belongings such as toys, blankets, beds that might have been soiled overnight and take them to our washer and make sure they're put back at the room in a timely manner. We also take all the food bowls to the kitchen to be washed and sanitized and make sure everyone's water bucket is full and clean. Once we're done rinsing and squeegeeing the building, we do go through and make sure to empty the drain of any excess hair or food that might have been trapped. We do use a foaming disinfectant at least once a week in our buildings in order to ensure optimal sanitization standards. When we fully finish cleaning the insides, we make sure to open up everyone's doggy door to make sure that they get free reign of their room once more. Throughout the day, we maintain our rooms by having our kennel staff do regular walkthroughs to clean up any possible accidents they might have had inside or cleaning up their backyards outside. Although the parks are the highlight of the facility, here at SoMi we do pride ourselves on our transparency, the way we clean, and how we maintain the health and safety of all our guests when they're here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this aspect of our day, and we hope to see you in our lobby soon. Bye!